1998 GMC 1500 Crew Cab, true dual with from the factory. There's he's got aftermarket converters on. Then it keeps going, true dual, and we continued that. Put a FLOWMASTER Super 44, dual in, dual out. We'll have a link in the description if we can find one for you. And then 2 1/4 tailpipes out each side, there and there. Into his 4-inch roll tips. We reused his tips. Just his exhaust rotted out, so we changed it up for him a little bit, cleaned it up, and reused his tips right there and right there. And like always, guys, please subscribe, like, and comment. And there's the FLOWMASTER 40 series right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Hold on, guys. Go ahead. Much better. Perfect, huh? FLOWMASTER Super 44 again. Sound decibels. One more. Right at 100. That's perfect. It's not too loud, not too quiet. Just gives it a nice deep tone. You like it?
Mama is loving it.
Say that one more time.
Mama is loving it.
She approves. Everybody approves. When Mama approves, everybody approves. Ain't that right?
Oh yeah.
Give it gas.
Say it again.
Everybody's got to have a mom like her.
Oh yeah.
That sounds so good.
Hell yeah.
That's awesome. That's Mama's gift to her son. So I hope you guys like it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. GMC Sierra 1500 true dual with FLOWMASTER 44 and 4-inch tips.
And the mama approves it all the way.
Yeah.
Loving it.
We love you too. Get on it, okay?